Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about, man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. So in today's video I'll be trying on this headband wig from EVA, and this is a straight texture in 20 inches if I'm not mistaken. So this is how the wig came. They sent him some accessories, headbands, stocking cap, comb, bobby pins, and of course the hair. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. I did not wash this hair before installing it. I know I'm supposed to wash it, yeah, I know. So I'm just going to like straighten it a little bit before putting it on for you guys. As you can see, it does have combs to secure the wig. And without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. So this is my hair. I'm just going to pull it to the back, and then I'm going to use a hair tie to hold it back, and I'm going to use the brush to brush it to the back before I go ahead and use my edge control to lay down my edges.
It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, hey, it's a bad man thing, yeah. Bulaka, yeah. See, see, I'm a jar little. I'm a jar wale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. I'm a jar little. I'm a jar wale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night they be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. In all the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In all the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me on, now you taking me all night long. Bad man, bossing all the place, them I wanting more. Them I wanting more. See, bossing all the place, then they feel me, yo. Then they feel me, yo. See them girls just want to party. See them boys, them just want to party. In a me yard, them.
So after doing the edges, I'm going to now put on the headband wig. And guys, let me tell you, headband wig are so easy to install. They are beginner friendly, the type of wigs that you just want to throw on and go, most especially if you're running errands or you have somewhere to go and you don't want to worry about your lace showing or having to glue down your hair. Like, this is just the perfect wig for those type of event or whatever. And if you don't know how to do your edges, it doesn't really matter. You can apply edge control on your hairline, brush it to the back, and then just put on your wig. And you can add headbands to add some colors to the wig if you want. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing, or that's basically what you see me doing right here. So like I said, this headband wig is from EVA, and the texture of this hair is amazing. It's so soft and silky. That is why you see me running my hands through the hair. That is what I do actually. When I like hair, I keep running my hands through that very hair. So that's basically it for this video. I'm going to leave every details of this headband wig in my description box below in case you guys are interested. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
I mean, she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me ya, say she give me pon me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in them, me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, say me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's V-Kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb look like them are watching. They're pretty bad man. Bad man, what I say? Standard.